change. Change of season, change of schedule.
Yeah, get them back to the routine, get them going to school, get them to learn some new things.
A changing of the guard.
And how are you doing? I'm Thomas Tucker. I'm the new superintendent. What are you, a 4th grader or a 10th grader?
Third.
3rd grader.
Change brings with it lots of firsts.
He's in a 4th, 5th grade combo class this year.
The first year we'll have a technology rotation here in a while.
Some run toward it. Some resist it.
Because who likes school, right?
But there are ways to embrace the change, like setting goals.
I want to get A's in all my classes, man.
Or singing a song. And holding close those who you hold dear.
I'll walk you to your class.
It's those little familiarities that can bring comfort.
High five. There you go.
Ow!
Because it's not all different.
What's up, dude? Let's do this!
Same old, same old.
We're still all in this together.
No one cares if you're a bit late to the first day.
The best part of the first day of school?
Get to see who's in our class. We don't have homework.
It just might be the person next to you.
People I know. She's nervous. Hopefully, she's got the butterflies.
1, 2, 3.
So embrace the beginning.
Every year we just feel like it keeps getting better and better.
We just have a great spirit of happiness in our building right now.
Because the strength of us will not change.
Give yourselves a hand, ladies and gentlemen. Good job.